Iloilo is a city of magnificent history and opportunities shaped throughout its existence. Still, it remains to be vibrant and culturally passionate through its culture-loving people who never fail to dream big, yet continue to preserve its rich cultural past. If you're a true blue Ilonggo or just a visitor of this exquisite city, here are 10 things you should know. Number 10. Come to Iloilo and tickle your taste buds. Iloilo City is more than just the heart of Western Visayas and economic center. For visitors and travelers who are looking ahead to visit this vibrant city, its world-famous gastronomy, delicacies, and food tickle the taste buds and palates of many people. We have the luscious bowl of La Paz Batchoy, originated in the wet market of La Paz district, the delicious soup-based pancit molo, the Bizcocho House selling yummy bizcocho, and pandesal ni paa in Haro district. The Barquillos from Owens, tastiest Queen Siopaw of Roberto's, the variety of the best seafood, cheesy baked oyster, native chicken barbecue in Tatoy's Manokan. All of this mouth-watering menu sold in various mini restos along the shores of Ville Beach, and many other must-have keepsakes that brings the flavors of authentic Ilonggo cuisine. Number 9. Didn't you know your grandparents were movie lovers? Yes, they are. Back in the middle 1950s until 1980s, Iloilo City's progress paved way for the expansion of its bustling metropolitan, where countless movie theaters started to mushroom and scatter within the city. The existence of some prominent movie theaters such as Cinema, Regent, Crown Allegro, and Rivera, among others, makes Iloilo as the movie capital outside Manila. In fact, prominent film festivals in Metro Manila, along with their biggest movie stars, were brought into Iloilo back in the heydays. The passion of Ilonggos for movie theaters simply shows that most Ilonggos are affluent and enjoy living in an economically stable city because they regularly watch movies after work or during weekends with their family. Old folks even used to say that most movie theaters are full-packed during premieres of important Filipino movies. Back then, Ilonggos are very passionate with local Filipino movies, which are a form of cultural pride. Number 8. Ilonggos take banking seriously. Here's why. There's a bank in almost every corner in downtown area of Iloilo City. The progressive business, commerce, and trade back in the 18th century and the economic rise of the city in 1900s. Ilonggos are known for their thrifty and wise spending attitude. Thus, banks were lining up in downtown area where most businessmen and old rich Ilonggos are ensuring they always kept their hard-earned money at the right place. Since Iloilo has been the most important international city next to Manila during the heydays, foreign exchange banks can be seen everywhere and large amount of deposits goes in the bank every day. In fact, most of the city's present major investors were convinced to invest because Ilonggos are known to have big deposits in banks and financial institutions, something that transcends potential financial prominence and the right attitude for progress. Number 7. Ilonggos are one of the best weavers in the world. One of the reasons for Iloilo City's economic prominence was the establishment of its popular weaving industry, sinamay, hablon, pusi, and piña cloth in later 18th and early 19th century. Iloilo became an international trading port for textile industry where local products are sold and sent to Europe and other parts of the world. Textile products made from Iloilo were considered expensive and in demand in the international market during the heydays. Such reputation ensured Ilonggos' timeless ingenuity and legacy with their distinct local products. Textile industry and retail stores mushroomed relentlessly in Calle, the busiest business district of the city. In Villa de Arevalo, Sinamay production flourished as local weavers became more and more popular for their intricate hand-woven products that impressed investors and suppliers. The Iloilo Sinamay House, an antique heritage house in Villa owned by Guizon and Villanueva clan, passed on to their children their family's business. Number 6. Before jeepneys, care for a train ride in Iloilo? The company was originally founded in Hartford, Connecticut, United States as Philippine Railway Company Incorporated on March 5, 1906. It was part of a collection of Philippine infrastructure companies. On May 28, 1906, the Philippine Commission granted the Philippine Railway Corporation a concession to construct railways on the islands of Panay, Negros, and Cebu. In 1907, construction began on a railroad from Iloilo City to Rojas City in Capiz. It was later controlled and owned by the Philippine government as Panay Railways Incorporated, with headquarters in La Paz, Iloilo City. The original route of the company's train service was 117 kilometers long, included 19 permanent 10-flag stations, and connected to La Paz in Iloilo City, heading as far as Loctugan in Capiz. It had a total of 46 bridges. The operation of the train service ceased in 1983, and its demolition started in March 2005 under the administration of President Fidel V. Ramos. Number 5. Forget about shopping malls. Iloilo's Calle is timeless. Its existence dates back in the time of Spain's colonial era in the Philippines. Calle is a long-stretching old business district in Iloilo City, where most of the pioneer Chinese merchants and local business clans established their businesses. From expensive to the cheapest shopping centers, retail stores, boutiques, goods, textile products, medical supplies, restaurants, and street vendors selling almost everything are lined up beautifully to cater the locals. Calle is known for its heritage buildings built during the Spanish and American era in the Philippines. The recent efforts of the city's local government and Heritage Council to rebuild and revive the original facade of the heritage buildings creates an echo of cultural pride. The sights and sounds of Calle dramatically changes from time to time. Its long existence captured great memories of Ilonggo culture, business-minded nature of locals, the city's legacy for trade and commerce, integrated in its impressive international business relationship in the past. Back then, elegant ilustrados, well-dressed elites, and the iconic Calasas used to roam around the streets of Calle, a place that even until now never loses its mark in the lives of Ilonggos as their first and true leisure destination. Number 4. The city with over 100-year-old universities. Iloilo City is considered as the center of education in Western Visayas by having the most numbers of schools, both private and public. During the old times and presently, students flock in Iloilo to gain the best education, especially in tertiary level, by having the biggest and prestigious universities. Iloilo's two oldest universities, who passed its centennial year, or 100 years of existence but still going stronger, are the University of San Agustin and Central Philippine University. Founded by the Order of St. Augustine Missionaries, the University of San Agustin was established on July 15, 1904, and celebrated its centennial year in 2004. Established in 1905 by American philanthropist John D. Rockefeller under the auspices of the American Baptist Foreign Missionaries, the Central Philippine University has become known for its strong Christian foundation, competitive courses, and a tourism-friendly university campus for its wide nature-friendly scenery and old buildings. West Visayas State University is a prominent university with countless achievements to boast. Originally founded by the Thomasites who came to the Philippines in the early 1900s. It was part of the Philippine normal school system under the American occupation until it became separate and formally established in 1924. Iloilo Science and Technology University, formerly Iloilo School of Arts and Trade, and later became Western Visayas College of Science and Technology, founded in 1905, is another educational institution in Iloilo City that existed for over 100 years. Number 3. Used to be Iloilo's king of the road? Kalasa, the traditional two-wheeled elegant cart pulled by a horse used to roam the streets of Iloilo City, particularly in Calle during the Spanish era. They used to be the king of the road in Iloilo even before its transformation into a royal city through a decree by Queen Regent Maria Cristina of Spain in 1889. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, Kalasas can be still seen in Calle, but the popularity of more modern jeepneys replaced the existence of traditional Kalasa in Iloilo City. Number 2. Ilonggos were the first to fly. Iloilo holds the record as the first city to have a commercial airline company. 8 years before the Philippine Airlines was established, Iloilo Negros Air Express Company, owned by Eugenio Lopez, had its inaugural flight in Fort San Pedro on February 1, 1933. The company catered to chartered and commercial flights during its peak years. The INAEC site airport was destroyed by 36 Japanese bombers on December 18, 1941, during the outbreak of World War II. INAEC still exists in Iloilo, providing chartered flights including medical emergency flights for private clients. Number 1. Didn't you know your grandparents are shopaholics? Since Iloilo City is a prominently popular commercial metropolis next to Manila, even way back during the Spanish colonization years, the city secured itself as a bustling commercial and leisure destination. Hoskins department store located along J.M. Basa Street was considered as the oldest shopping center in the Philippines, according to local historians established in 1877. It was founded by Englishman Henry Hoskins under the business name Hoskins and Company. It is the first store in the country to introduce fixed price policy in merchandising and the first known store to sell almost everything from needle to anchor. Right now, the building remains standing and several retail stores existed in the same location. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos.